Hello my people, what's up? Again we come back as Ngabo choreography. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back where we learn every dance style, every tutorial. This is where we break it down. So if you're new here, just hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any tutorial that we share to you. So today we come with a new dance tutorial, and that is none other than the JERUSALEMA dance tutorial. So enjoy the tutorials. So this tutorial is very simple. This dance is very simple. It just involves the use of your legs. The use of your legs. So the first step, you go like get. Then you go we do it 2 times.
Yeah,
let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after you get. Then you step like this. After stepping, you again move 4 times from where you came from. 2, 3, 4. After reaching, we are stepping back. Yeah? We are stepping back. I hope we are together. So we are stepping back 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. After reaching here, we again do the other thing that we did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you
I'll see the beat guy.
So that is our simple JERUSALEMA dance challenge. It's so easy. So my friends, just keep on practicing. It's very simple and everyone should learn it. So I sign out right for now as Ngabo Dan from Ngabo Choreography. Remember to subscribe on this YouTube channel, Ngabo Choreography. Still follow us at Ngabo Dan Official Instagram. I love you all. I sign out.